Buju Banton did 10 years in prison. Vybz Kartel did 13 years in prison. That empty void for these two giants create one big awareness and one big hunger to see them.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People are going, yeah man, a Media Fox man. You see me? People, like, share, subscribe, remember. See? Before we start watching video. Yeah man. Yes, Jano. Yes, people, so we see what Vybz Kartel do at the Barclays Center, you understand? Back to back. Zine, it's a great look for dancehall. You understand? Yeah, it's a great look for dancehall. It's a great look for the artists. You understand? Yeah. Would I love for more artists at Jamaica can do that. But here's a problem. Artists with their road, where I travel the world, everybody I see, them demand is very low. You understand? Vybz Kartel never been in the US 20 years, / he was in prison for 13 years. So the demand is gonna very high over every artist in dancehall right now. Because the other rest was in the street doing their thing for 13 years. You understand? So this is the thing. We realize the Barclays Center is a standard now for dancehall. I thought Barclays Center was a venue where people book artists or keep events, or where them keep basketball show or whatsoever. You understand? You know, I see a lot of people coming at the media and them say this and them say Ray, but them not talk the disadvantage of the artists them doing it. You understand? Because the artists them a travel go US, the artists them a travel go UK, them they all about the place, Canada, everywhere. You understand? I do them thing. You see it? For the 13 years of Kartel in the prison. See me? So them demand I go low. Because why? People are see them at different events and all of them look something there. You understand? So you have artists here. Remember, you know, it's not. Remember, say Kartel get booked for the show, you know. You understand? It's book him get for the show. So when you check it out, it's not like them a book other artists. You understand? And you don't know promoters there. The promoter want to make them money and every little thing. You understand? So Vybz Kartel coming out of prison for 13 years is a good investment. You understand? Because them say, yo, I'm not going to lose for this. It's what I try to say, I'm not going to lose for this. So it's like it's a standard now where a man do a back-to-back show. We know say Buju spend about 10 years in a prison forward out, do UBS back-to-back, but I think him do Barclays must say one time or so. Yeah. Zine, remember, you know, these two men went to prison. So when them come out back, them demand go high than any other artist, because it's not a everyday thing where you hear say an artist go for 13 years in a prison. You understand? Yeah. So when you check it, Zine, the youths them their road, people out here been selling out shows. You understand? People been selling out shows. So we realize when Kartel do him thing, them only highlight that. Which I feel like say it's unfair. Because I represent the other rest of dancehall artists them in the game. Realize it's unfair to the artists them when Kartel they are prison. Because no man a prison can't carry no genre. You understand? Realize that the artists them are out there, go out there in the world, travel and do them thing and represent dancehall. Them want to flush out them artists there. You understand? Them people are full out place and all of them little thing there are not being highlighted. So them only highlight Kartel thing now to make it look like say, yo, him alone. You understand? Yeah, him alone I go full out Barclays Center back to back. Why? It's because I'm alone go prison for 13 years in this time. You understand? Remember say I just links and them look something there, you know. Make Kartel have a lot of endorsement and all of them look something there. You understand? So people are gonna come out and every little thing. Remember say most of the people them want just go there for see him. You understand? Or see him for perform him song, but after all this died down, everything I go back to square one. You understand? I see the Florida show. Zine, I don't really hear them talk about it or whatsoever, you see me? But look where Foota hype say so.
Buju Banton did 10 years in prison. Vybz Kartel did 13 years in prison. That empty void for these two giants create one big awareness and one big hunger to see them. I'm not Kartel, but I say see them. Remember that good enough. So this prison time and this exit from visibility and from us going to shows to see them create, you call it supply and demand. So this demand, Zine, is a hunger to see them. Great enough. But me still not satisfied with the culture yet. Me want the culture to be able to do this without nobody going to prison. But
Yeah. So Foota hyper say, yo, him want to see dancehall artists do this without going to prison. You understand? And that's facts. But why? That not gonna happen. That not really gonna happen. Because most of the dancehall artists, them skip to New York, Florida, all of them things, the demands are low. You understand? The demands are low. They've been seeing these artists for years. Years they must see these artists. Them artists, I don't know whole dancehall did lock up a prison. You understand? It's not the whole dancehall lock up a prison. You see it? And me see them a try compare Kartel with Popcaan. Right now, if Popcaan go USA right now, Popcaan will do that. Because Popcaan not go there for years. You understand? Popcaan not go there for years. And remember, say, what make this show Kartel do get a tick off the real way is because all of the it's all of the artists who come on the stage for endorse him. You understand? That way, especially night 2. But you know, so the Gaza fans them now gonna like it, you know. You understand? I'm gonna tell you why them not like it. Watch a video.
Yes, I keep up just for the fun night.
Yeah, because I know people are going to buy into it. Remember, you know, people are like sheep, you know, and I am the shepherd, you know. They're easy to lead. And then they're easy to lead. It's so easy, it's like, it's
When you just watch a video, you see what them boss call them artists call them not really think and understand certain things. They work off of feelings. You understand? And them not like facts. You see it? Because them boss and them this and them that. See? And it's like them forgot say them boss did get locked up for 13 years. He never did a road. You see what I'm trying to say? He never did a road. So when you look on certain things, you have to say, yo, it's like them people you forgot. So my time I wonder if vybzkartel did go prison or him did their road. You see it? Because no dancehall artists in a dancehall history no get highlight like how vybzkartel get highlight. You understand? Me see a little clip where Sean Paul post a tear down one place a be white people. Zine? Me no see nobody highlight that. A lot of artists in a dancehall I do great moves. Them don't highlight it. You understand? Them don't highlight it because why? Some of them don't really buy into the link up and the into everybody and all of them because something. Them not frenzy with the industry. Because remember, you know, vybzkartel are the industry puppet, you know. From vybzkartel come out, them only highlight him and highlight him lifestyle. You understand? The dancehall artists, them out here, so them not really highlight them lifestyle like that. Them a focus on them music and do them shows. You understand? So a lot of things, them must have them beat Beenie Man and all of them. Beenie Man been doing shows all over the years. Look how long Beenie Man in the game now. Kartel come see Beenie Man around the thing. You understand? Beenie Man give me one of them biggest endorsement.
The dancehall when you come out of your mother belly. Remember that. Respect and honor you. I mean, you use a birth specialist. I'm a first #1.
But it work out today for them a style man. I say, yo, Beenie Man can't do this and Beenie Man can't do that. Bro, Beenie Man there for years. I represent dancehall, represent him. Never lock up in a prison for 13 years when nobody not see him. You understand? So, through vybzkartel, full out, the Barclays Center, back to back. When I feel like say, yo, the others are artists, them nah do this and ray. Of course them not gonna do it. Because them doing other things when Kartel lock up. When Kartel sit down in a prison. And see the other rest of artists them a dominate over yes and ray. You have to just wait. You understand? The artists them out the road are putting them work. You see it? Them are putting them work. So don't feel like say Barclays Center are the standard for dancehall. We never know this. So what to the other venue them? If you check the amount of people, because me some people give some numbers when the promoter says 15k, right? Because based on all this the Barclays Center set up, it's like a 20k capacity. Based on when they keep like basketball, but like shows event and them thing they have to reduce it to 15k based on the setup. Zine? So if you check that, the 2 night them would have total of 30,000 people. You understand? So, me know say Kartel, me know say more than 30,000 people did in a stadium at Jamaica, right? So me say, bro, like if you check that stadium, mostly diaspora people, Jamaicans are who link with Jamaicans are, you understand? You have all man do sell out shows with be white people and all of them look something there. You see it? So you can't use what Kartel do because him being locked up or prison hype right now or prison reaction right now. Coming back home, celebration and all of them to something there. For the artists them with their road, I dominate for years. You understand? Dominate for years. You see it? Because Kartel did their prison. You see him? Nobody couldn't see him. Everybody are weird. Some people they want to say look like him now come out. So when him come out in a surprise now and thing, everybody say yo everything start book and every little thing. But remember say now it's Kartel Prime because in Prime did start 2011 but you know what happened, he may not go prison. So now he might do what him for do. But like back then he might do it now. You understand? He just catch him at a later age. 49. You see me? But don't use a venue where I do 15k people for all the other artists them accountable for say yo if you not do this or ray you know reach to that level or whatsoever. No, the youth them they do I sell out some look at other shows already. I build them fans and every little thing. You understand? Because if you ask most of the people them will go Barclays, most of them just happy if you see them artists. You understand? Happy if you see them artists and the artists them will come on the stage kind of make things seal off everything. We all know that. Remember say you don't know Kartel no 200 and Vybz no really, so people just mostly go there for just listen to him and every little thing. You see it? So, you know say sometimes I bring up say my 49, but if you check the other is a man them like Sean Paul and them man they older than Kartel. A lot of artists older than Kartel and them still dominate. See? But people now go talk the facts. Them are gonna use Kartel and way do for try to clarify things or try to use that for put it at a standard for dancehall. You understand? Look how much you know how much shows keep a Barclays with dancehall artists like come on stage how much time I never hear nobody talk about it. For sure, say Vybz Kartel is a puppet to the industry. Everything he do, that's what them use and set the standard for the dancehall artists them. For sure, yo, are we a more bigger artist, Beanie Man? Because let me tell you see, because Beanie Man did their road, I do him thing and Ray. Remember, say Beanie Man I do it from back then, you know. Remember, say right now, I just Kartel thing, I just hype right now. You understand? Because I know, say Beanie Man can more perform than Vybz Kartel. You understand? Vybz Kartel have a good catalog, yes, and everything. You can just go and work on that. You see it? He moving at the United States in there, Florida now. Yeah, he might do him thing, focus on him thing. But you can't use one man doing a dancehall if you set no standard. Because you have man out there a sell out shows out in front of white people, different races, different people. You understand? So if you go set that just there so, wow, Barclays Center at the standard for dancehall, we hold 15k people. It's like wow, no want to see other artists do more than that. That are the standard now. Sell out that back to back. Like to me right now, come like you don't want dancehall artists to go prison. It's like that you don't want right now. We don't want dancehall artists to go prison. If you come sell out shows back to back, that you don't want. Because it's a reason why no artists never do it. It's a reason. Because them been doing shows. Their demands are low. Vybz Kartel never done a show for 13 years. You understand? So his demand gone very high. 13 years a lot of years. Plus, he has not been in the United States for 20 years. So imagine, I'll let him come do it again. But me know say he maybe have to put down them ticket price there. But him can do it again. You understand? Because 20 cut out 20 years now go, just go down the drain, so. And next year if he want to do it, he can do it again. You understand? Maybe not. We can't predict the future, but you see me? Him can do it because it's still mark off this, so. But it maybe now go have a high price. You see me? And that's one of the reasons why high price can go up on him tickets right now, because people don't see him. You understand? Most definitely he's gonna have solo shows. You see it? He is gonna have solo shows. It's expected. Them not see him how long. Vybz Kartel wasn't traveling back then. He wasn't selling no shows back then. If you check it back, his biggest show was like, you would say, Sting or Sunfest. You understand? So, and biggest show them there back then. Coming up when they come out of prison, Freedom Street, demand was high. Barclays Center, demands are high. And if you check it, alright, down a stadium at Jamaica hold like 35,000 people. See? Based on football match and all of these things. But it can hold more if people go up on the field. Right? You can get about 30,000. Vybz Kartel go to the Barclays Center. Remember 15k that, you know. Remember say artists, they don't see for years, you know. Big artists, you know. So when you check it, they have to split it. It have to split in 2 days. 30,000 people can hold. If Kartel they have a stadium where you could have all 40k of foreign, like if Barclays Center could have hold all 40k, 30k, Zane, it could have do in a one night. But 15k people for such an artist, yeah, it have to split. It have to put in a 2 days. The demand is very high. You understand? So I don't want to use the Kartel though for set no standard. You understand? Because it now got with another artists. Because the artists them demands are low. Them they are raw that do shows sold out. Them are sold out, them little shows are still success, are still look good for the genre. Same way. One man can't run dancehall, one man can't carry dancehall. A crash to go crash. I tell you that. There's in the world right now, there's not one man run no organization. That's why you have managers and supervisor and this and that, and you understand? Yeah. Kind of feel like Vybz Kartel alone can't run dancehall. You understand? Them only can highlight him in the media for make him look like say him alone and do it. But if you check it, Vybz Kartel not do it musically. Vybz Kartel is a great artist, but him alone can't do it. You understand? Him alone can't do it. And the artists, them on their road, them a do good. They maybe not do the large sum, a stadium and arena, but them a do them things same way. Still a representation of dancehall. You understand? Yeah. So, I don't want to feel like say, yo, it's Barclays Center thing and yo, we solo back to back. You understand? Because dancehall very biased. You understand? Very hypocritical. You understand? Very hypocritical. You see it? So, una put this solo out and every year look good for the artist. You see it? But una have to look on the advantage and the disadvantage and the reason why he could solo out Barclays Center back to back. You can't just say, yo, the man just get up and sell. Indeed, they're prison. You see it? Yeah, man. The dancehall artists, them, just go and do nothing. You see me? Go and do nothing. A Kartel prime time now, nothing wrong with that. Everybody get them time in the game. Kartel are getting time now physically in the game. But then when him get a prison and thing and him are releasing music and him get him help, when him help their road and master music and everything and send it out there and promote. Because him alone couldn't be at prison and do it. He need help. You understand? Which is in team them and other artists who did that endorsement. You understand? Yeah. We Kartel have the powers them have and every dancehall artist have it. So none of them now get them endorsement the way Kartel get either. You understand? So one of the people them be grateful for the other rest of dancehall artists. Kartel are doing thing. Is what I try to say. It's a great look for dancehall, great look for the artist, but it's not the standard for the artist. For full out a 15k venue, Zine, una put that for highlights. If basically una go on like say yo, if no artist or dancehall now do this, them not reach nowhere. Stop it. You understand? Stop it. Because Kartel just do this now and we know why. You understand? So we still have to respect and show appreciation for the artists. Them when they are road, when a man lock up, I push the genre, carry the genre, same way. You understand? Because if him did lock up, him alone couldn't do it. You know that. Him alone can't do dancehall. You see it? Because our man for their prison, how him go perform to represent dancehall out there? So now him follow that road, him a do him thing. You understand? Demands are high. Give it the next year or 2 or 3, it'll go back to normal. You understand? Tickets have to go down low and every little thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So respect to all artists of dancehall. You see me? Yeah. Kartel, big up him thing, him and do him thing. I feel him time. You know, everybody have them time. Yeah. Good luck for dancehall. Big up on yourself. That is it.